My name is Lars-Åke Mattsson, and I'm going to show you a little bit about our new VentTools app and how you measure airflow. This is a terminal device, a KSU, and in order to measure that, you need to know the position of this center part, and you also need to know the pressure beside. So I measure with this VAC. I have the position of 0 millimeters, and I also measure the pressure, and it is 20 pascals. Now, we can have it here. Then I go into my app. I go to air terminal device. I go to product category and find air valves. The product name, there's pictures, so it's easy to find them. KSU. The duct size is 160. The settings, as I measured with the VAC, was 0 millimeters, and I am at a straight duct, and then the k-factor is 3.62. So now when I have put in everything, I have an airflow of 16 liters per second.